For all our science and philosophy, the beginning of everything remains a mystery. Somehow, around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe begins with a bang. For less than a millionth of a second, the forces of nature are unified. Superheated matter and energy are indistinguishably bound together. But as the expanding universe cools, the first subatomic particles coalesce from the cosmic blast. Around 1 second after the beginning, the first element is born: hydrogen. As gravity takes hold, massive clouds of matter collapse into galaxies full of radiant stars. Powered by fusion and contained by gravity, these nuclear furnaces create new elements over their lifespans. Some end their lives in cataclysmic explosions, forging heavier elements and spewing matter into space. And the cycle begins anew. About 4.5 billion years ago, on an outer branch of the Milky Way galaxy, a new solar system condenses from stellar debris. Our young planet generates a magnetic field, traps a protective atmosphere, and gathers the molecular building blocks necessary for life. Life as we know it is carbon-based, and all life requires energy. Early organisms harvest energy from sunlight, transform it with biological machinery, and store it in chemical bonds. And as life evolves, its relationship with energy becomes more complex. The remains of countless microorganisms carpet seafloors in thick, energy-rich deposits. Over millions of years, these organic layers are buried under river-borne sediments. Heat and pressure slowly transform them into hydrocarbons. Meanwhile, life on the surface continues to develop. Nature has become both curious and self-aware. Humanity is not only adept at making energy in the biological sense. With our knack for creating technology, we learn to store and transform energy for different tasks. The chemical energy in wood and other biomass becomes our first energy currency, while animal power as well as energy from moving wind and water allow us to further shape our environment and thrive. Coal fuels the Industrial Revolution, powering engines in ships, locomotives, and factories. But once we harness hydrocarbon energy, our world changes forever. Oil and natural gas are the most important energy sources of today, but they are not alone. Since electricity is now our dominant energy currency, renewable sources can generate power by tapping into our planet's natural cycles. As we adapt to the obstacles ahead, our methods of harnessing energy will change with us. Learning how to use it wisely is our challenge for the coming centuries. From smashing particles together to illuminate the mysterious beginning of everything, to launching us upward to investigate our universe at the largest scale imaginable, energy powers our exploration and fuels our curiosity. Where will energy take us next?